Christians brothers and sisters out there, you have to understand that there's precautions for everything and there are consequences for everything. You can't go around personally attacking people, either men of God or other Christians. There's what we call character defamation and character assassination. You'll be throwing attacks on these people, then when they decide to sue you, you call it persecution. No, it's not persecution. Some of these attacks, they're so personal, and at the end of the day, remember, some of these people, they've got businesses, they've got brands, and they're providing for their family, and the attacks that you're doing, they affect these people on a greater scale. Am I saying that don't rebuke sin? By no means, but do it wisely. Don't attack people personally. Don't assassinate people's characters. Be honorable.